Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 23 points, that is 0.03%, and settled at 81,355 points. Nifty 50 is up by 1 point, that is 0.01%, and settled at 24,836 points. Bank Nifty is up by 110 points, that is 0.22%, and settled at 51,406 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 593 points, that is 1.03%, and settled at 58,362 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 189 points, that is 1%, and settled at 19,043 points. Cyient DLM has secured a significant contract from Boeing to produce the battery diode module for the 787 Dreamliner, the electronic manufacturing services and solutions provider said on 29 July. The project marks the first time Boeing has awarded Cyient DLM the task of producing power electronics and providing design and certification support for commercial airplanes. Cyient DLM is uniquely positioned to offer complete design, development, qualification, certification, and production support to global aerospace OEMs, CNBC TV18 quoted Cyient DLM CEO Anthony Montalbano as saying. With this positive news, stock has surged up in today's session at 2:15 p.m. IdeaForge in focus. IdeaForge is a vertically integrated company with an in-house product development center, allowing us to design, develop, engineer, and manufacture indigenous unmanned aerial vehicles. US offers consultancy to India to build unmanned aerial vehicles under $3 billion Predator drone deal. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session at 2:40 p.m. Pavna inks agreement with Ola Electric to supply ignition switches and latches for EVs. This contract further consolidates the company's foray into the two-wheeler electric vehicle segment. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session at 12:50 p.m. Neat Institute of Finance, Banking and Insurance, a subsidiary of Neat, today announced the launch of the ACE Banker program in collaboration with HDFC Bank. A key component of Neat's Talent Pipeline as a Service initiative, this program aims to recruit and train customer service professionals for HDFC Bank. SRM Contractors Company received a letter of acceptance from NHAI for a 171.24 crore rupees, while the company's market cap is 500 crore rupees. With this positive news, stock has surged up to 7% in today's session. Shares of NBCC, India, rose nearly 6% on Monday after the firm said its wholly-owned subsidiary has won orders for the construction of a medical college. NBCC said in an exchange filing that its subsidiary HSCC, India, has won an order for the construction of a new government medical college of 100 student capacity and a 430-bedded hospital at Buldhana from the government of Maharashtra. The approximate value of the order stands at 411.45 crore rupees. Larsen & Toubro on Monday, 29 July, said its power transmission and distribution business has bagged multiple orders in the 2,500 crore rupees to 5,000 crore rupees range to build grid elements, forming the backbone of clean energy transition. L&T classifies orders in the 2,500 crore rupees to 5,000 crore rupees range as large orders. The company won the said orders in India and overseas markets. In India, the company received orders to execute to 765 kV double-circuit transmission line packages, which are associated with evacuation of power from Jaisalmer-Burma Renewable Energy Zone in Rajasthan to substations in Madhya Pradesh for interconnections. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.